where were you when you got the news?
Mm.
What was happening? Like,
So I was at Ayanda's event. She had asked me to perform at her I don't know if it was her birthday, but she had an event at the Old Sands. And I spoke to him 10 minutes before he passed away because he FaceTimed me. And so Don's girlfriend, Azola, was sitting next to me. And he calls me in the greatest of spirits, baby, what are you wearing? Missy, what are you wearing? And then he's like, okay, the boys and I are about to leave. We're going to the hotel to get ready, and then we're going to go to the club. So I said, okay, cool, babe. And literally like 10 minutes later, Azola comes to me because she's at the same place. She comes to me and she says, babe, can I talk to you for a second? So I was just like, what's the problem? That was the last thing I would have thought, and she came and just pulled me to the side and she says, babes, Keenan got shot. And I'm like, it didn't register that like shot fatally at all until I got the news that it was fatal. I really felt like he's probably shot in the shoulder or like in the leg but also like, what? What do you mean shot? Like, it doesn't make sense. It didn't register. I literally ran out of that venue. Azola came with me, thank God. Otherwise, I would have been alone. So I'm so grateful for Azola. But she came and she chilled at the house with me and then got confirmation. And then everybody started coming to the house. And we got in the car and we drove to Durban immediately that evening, which was also pointless too because there was nothing I could do. But I was just like, I have to get there. Like, I just have to get there. And then when we got there, I literally was there for like a few hours. I saw the boys. They were all distraught. And then I went to the airport and flew back to Joburg. And then Tony and Steph arrived. And then, yeah, it was a lot.
Nadia Nakai has opened up about AKA's passing, you guys. Particularly talked about where she was when she found out that the rapper was shot and killed. She went to Eltida's podcast on YouTube and revealed that she was actually out at an event where she was booked to perform, but she ended up receiving a phone call which had informed her about AKA, that AKA had been shot, you guys. She said that she never thought that AKA might have died, but she thought that maybe, just maybe, he was alive. But unfortunately, that was the opposite, you guys. So you can watch the rest of the interview to see more on what she has revealed here on YouTube on El Tido's podcast. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below and also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you for watching. Bye.